Hey everyone, it's been a couple days since I've been over here to the property, so I thought I would come over and see what's going on. I know there's been the sighting guys, I think, have been over here. It's been cold and rainy the last couple days, but I'm gonna come over here, see what's going on, check the side out and see if there's anything going on. Well, since it has been raining here the last few days, not a hard rain, but enough, the ground's kind of muddy, so I'm going to go ahead and take the hot rod golf cart around over there and change out the card in that other camera. That one over there gets more deer, and if there's anything really spectacular, I'll share them here. Most of the time it's just a nighttime vision. They're just white looking, a bunch of does. But if I can get a buck in there, I'll show it to you. Looks like something's been done to the house. Woo! Man, oh man. Okay, we'll come up here and get this camera here checked out. Pop that off. Pop out that card. And we'll put this card in there. And we're good to go. And since I'm over here, I am going to feed the deer. Yes. I only feed them 1 cup of this right here. Oh boy. Well, let's see if I can go here without rolling over. You can see there's deer tracks all in here where they come out, and so I just feed them. They seem to like that. Well, it looks like they got some siding on that side. Looks like they've totally finished up the back of the house here. Just kind of got the back porch enclosed in there. That looks pretty doggone good. They got the eave in. So this all looks pretty good here. Oh, I see something else that's been done. Let's see. Right there's about 50 bags of sand and, 50 bags of mortar. I believe 6 tons of sand is what was ordered. Man. Yeah, they do have some here. Oh, yeah, nice. Yep, got a place to put the electric power, so now we can bring in the electrical meter, then from there we can bring over the electric to the shop, which is behind me. Yeah, this looks pretty doggone good. Get all that finished up. I hope I don't get a nail. Yep. They're slowly getting it on. I was told it'd take 2-3 days. I've been on this all week. It's now Thursday. Guess what? They're not done yet. I'd say they're halfway done maybe. But here's what I can see from inside that back door. The house is insulated. Man, it's dark in here, but that's pretty doggone cool. And the plumber, well, you guys already know, they did come back and run the gas line in here. Wow, it's really weird not being able just to look and see from one side of the house, at least from the garage. Wow, that's dark there too. Bathroom is insulated. Yep, looks like in the whole house, all the outside walls are insulated. I believe the sheetrocker's supposed to come Friday, but we're gonna have some snow. Wow, that is so dark. Now I don't have a fancy camera to where I can change it up. But we're all insulated in now. All the rooms are insulated, so that's pretty cool. Pretty nice. Let's look out back here. So we do have siding here. That's pretty cool. Got everything up there. There will be brick down below this. I believe this here is metal. That's, I don't know, that might be plastic. But there will be bricks below that. Well, hey everyone, short little update here. I'm hoping there's some deer in them pictures. If there's something pretty cool in there, I'll make sure, well, you saw them. If you didn't see any, there wasn't any good pictures of deer in there. Well, hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, you know, if that's something you like to do. And you know what? I'll talk to y'all later. See ya!